Do you know that it is almost impossible to visit a Nigerian home without finding jollof rice or stew in the kitchen? These are some of the most widely enjoyed dishes in Nigeria. Today, I will be making fish and beef head stew. Stay tuned and watch how I prepare this. While watching how I prepare this delicious stew, let me tell you guys a little story. There was a time, I don't know for other country, but in Nigeria, there was a time when eating fish was only for poor. Hmm. It wasn't funny then. It was cheap, easy to get, and honestly, if you ate fish too often, people will assume you couldn't afford meat. I am telling you. But look around now. Tables have turned. Fish has become premium. Even the rich want it. The poor can barely keep up. You see? Because it's so expensive right now. Funny how things change. I remember clearly back in the day, fish was everywhere. But now, people realize it is actually healthier than beef. Personally, I have always loved fish, especially the head. Especially the head, yes. I know you'll be like, God forbid. I know some people throw it away in the market. Chai, I'll be like, oh my God, you're throwing my favorite part. I don't know how to say, can you give it to me? I mean, in Nigeria. But I'm so happy right now. I can buy the fish head anytime I visit Hong Kong store, Fiesta store. I do see catfish head. I love fish a lot. So I want to clear it that fish is no longer for the poor. It is for the rich people right now. So I hope you enjoy this cooking and please do try cooking fish with cow head. The taste is different. But if you don't eat spice, I don't know. I'm pairing this with rice. You can equally enjoy this with mashed potato, boiled yam, boiled cocoyam, whatever you can pair this stew with. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.